Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, good morning everyone. Now I will make a video tutorial and demo is about Podular. The name is Talk to Me. Nah, so in the third project of my style is Talk to Me, and in here I will explain first about the feature in the Talk to Me. Nah, so in here, as you can see, there is cat, there is space, and there is the text box inputs, and there is record and speak. Nah, I will explanation from the space one. The space one is just for make the name tidy, like this. Nah, but no, just for make tidy, and this for just for make tidy. Nah, so in here, in space one, is for like distance from the blue what the name blue block or the top of the pond, and then there's text box input. What is function of text box input? So if letter when we write something like hello or maybe good morning letter, if we click speak letter, if this sound, so letter the phone letter say good morning or anything that we read right in here. Nah, then the space to format distance from the text box input to the image. Nah, ini there's image one, the cat only, yeah. And then there's horizontal arrangement. For the function of horizontal arrangement is for make or the name we are put the speak and space and the record in here. So later uh, format tidy lah. Nah, ini there's button speak. The function for our make for the name for give sound that we are right in here, and the button record is for we are like using the phone and we click the record later we say anything else later the phone will talk that we are talk, yeah. And then speech recognition recognizer, the function is for the code for letter the F is can hear, and text to speech same the function for letter from the text to be speech. So we write in there letter speak, letter the phone will say that we are right in here, yes. And then decoration for the code. Nah, in here we are go to the block in here. Nah, in the block I already make it for the code. Nah, in here the I already know the function, but I will explain it again. Nah, when screen one backplace to or when we click letter call decoration set save component text box input and background color white and the border color is ordinary is purple or blue and its around is false, and call decoration one at set padding and component text box input and set volume or the volume. Nah, and then in here set text to speech country to or so letter I will say using Indonesian. Yeah. Nah, and then in the when button speak, click do call text to speech, letter text box input to the text. Nah, and then there's button when button record, click to call speech recognizer and get text. So when we click letter we will hearing, the phone will hearing and speech or talk that we are talk. Nah, and then the speech recognizer is for the set the text box input text to the get the result or get the I don't know, yeah, to get the result. Nah, now I will practice about the apps. Nah, in there and the rest of my phone. Ah, and then we just open first and wait. Nah, it's already open. Wait. You can see it. Nah, and when we are and I will connect test connect to companion and scan the QR code. Wait until wait wait while loading. Nah, nah, in here you can see wait there is the apps already. Nah, you can see. Then we just click in there and we example is good morning. And in there there's already good morning. Important is and where click speak.
Good morning.
Good
morning.
Later he will say that we are right in the top.
Good morning.
Like that.
Good morning.
And change and I will change again. Give example is hello.
Halo. Halo. Halo.
So this the sound is from the Google. Now and then if we are record test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3. Nah. So if we are record later there will automatically go to the text box input and there is the text letter there is test 1 2 3 1 2 3 same like I told, and if I speak later the phone will say
Tes 1 2 3 1 2 3.
and if we use English.
Tes 1 2 3.
Like that. Okay, maybe that's all for me for my tutorial and demos about Talk to Me in Codula. Sorry for my mistake or wrong in this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.